Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Once Upon a Gun. I apologize for the delay in getting any new videos out. I don't have a ton of subscribers, so I don't think a whole lot of folks are missing much, but it's just things have been getting busy, haven't been able to get a new video out, but I'm excited to share this one with you today and be back here on YouTube. This is my personal Stealth Arms Platypus, so in full disclosure, this is not the first time that I've opened this. Most of the videos, you guys are watching me open the package for the very first time. That's not the case with this one. This one, I signed for it with the FedEx driver, and I had this thing open within seconds. I had waited so long for this. Ordered this at the beginning of January. Just received it. Sounds like a long time, but I can tell you that is actually about 2 months quicker than it was estimated when I bought it, so I'm super happy with that. So let's take a look. If you haven't seen a platypus before, it comes in this nice Stealth Arms bag. This is my third Stealth Arms order, and they all come in the same bag, so getting myself a bit of a collection here. What you get in here, you get your awesome sticker. If you have one of these stuffies that they gave out at SHOT Show, you're lucky. Those things are awesome. Here's the manual. Make sure you read those. Very important. Comes with your sights and then screws and things for your optic. Comes with 2 mags. They are OEM Glock mags. I live in a state where the politicians hate you enough that they will pretend that magazine restrictions save lives. So I only got 10 round mags, which is unfortunate, but that's what happens when you live in the People's Republic of Washington. Anyway, on to happier stuff. We'll get into the star of the show here. This is full-size platypus. So I went with these colors this time. It's a little more subdued than my last two. My last two are pretty flashy. This one I decided I would make a little more traditional. Obviously not entirely, because it's not all black, but I like these colors and I think they turned out really well. Pretty true to what was on the website. So we'll take a look here. Gun's clear. Went with the full rail, went with the squared trigger guard, the flat short trigger, 2.5 pound trigger. YouTube, don't be mad just because I mentioned that, please. It's stock. You ordered it. I didn't change it. It's fine. Slide, this is the Trident cut. So we got the port in the slide. Got the serrations on the front and back. We've got ambi safeties. You guys know how I feel about expensive guns. They should have ambidextrous safeties just because it looks right, even if you don't use them. It's my personal opinion. Cut for the RMR here, so I'm probably going to put a 507 comp on this one. And I went with the standard height sights on this one. I had gone with suppressor height sights before, realized was not necessary. So I went with the standard sights on this one, and so far I think I'm going to be happier with that. Obviously got the magwell here, and this prickle grip is just amazing. The prickle grip and the bull barrel are actually the 2 reasons why I ordered this third one. My first 2 did not have those options because they were not offered yet by Stealth Arms. So once those were out there, I had to have one, and it was a good excuse to order a third one. So this is the firearm in all of its glory. I'm super happy with it. It is built just as well as the first 2. Super smooth, really enjoy that. Yeah, and this grip, the prickle grip is just what I think every real seriously shot gun should be. I also like the extra aggressive, which I think 99% of people would not enjoy. So maybe for some people this would still be too rough, but I really enjoy it. If you really want a good grip on your pistol, I think you're gonna like this a lot. Folks like to always see any slide wiggle, any movement. There's none. You guys can see this thing is built super well, super tight tolerances, but yet still super smooth on the slide. And everybody likes to see the trigger, so we'll go with this. Again, short, flat trigger. This is the competition 2.5 pound. Barely take up, super solid, and breaks. Reset. A little bit, and super clean again. Huge fan. Really excited to share this one with you guys. Really excited to have this one. Have not had this out to the range yet since it just arrived. But the attention to detail on these guns for the price, I think, is just exceptional. So if you don't have a platypus yet, I would recommend getting one. If you have even been on the fence I think if you order one, you'll be a happy camper for doing it. The best time to have ordered a platypus is 5 months ago. Second best time is today, because as soon as you put that order in, they have a really cool tool that lets you watch how far along in the queue your firearm is, and it takes a long time to get to them to start building it, and then it's still a couple weeks after they start building it before it ships. So once you get that order in, you're going to wish you had done it before. So if you get one, if you've had one, if you've shot one, or if you're waiting for one, leave some comments below. Let's get a discussion going about the platypus. I think these are fantastic. The customer service is fantastic. Great company, great folks. Can't recommend them enough. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.